Good evening, Phúc.
Good evening, Miss Mai.
Yes, I have some question for you about pet and animal topic.
Yes, please.
Do you like animal?
A little bit.
What your favorite animal?
So when it comes to animals, to be honest, I just like dogs.
Mm. Why do you like dog?
Because I think they are the most affectionate and the most lovable. Uh, Besides, they are a great companion of human beings.
A current, do you like have a pet?
Of course, I never dislike animals, but keeping pets is not my cup of tea.
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. So, how about you? Do you like?
Uh, yes, definitely I like animal. I think they are all unique and a beautiful creation of nature. Moreover, they are a great companion of a human being.
What's your favorite animal?
Well, there are many loving animals, but among all, I like dogs most because of their loyalty. Moreover, they can help protect their owner's home from intruders. Finally, they are so smart that they seem to understand human language and respond in their own way.
And the last one for you. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. However, I'm living in an apartment and our landlady doesn't allow us to keep pets in our unit. She doesn't want to hear noise from dogs or cats as they may disturb other companion.
That's all.
That's all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you.